So good morning, welcome back to my channel. Hey. So as y'all can see, you read the title, so yes, we getting this prank on. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment down below before we get into this video. They has no idea. When I say no idea, he has no idea what's coming, and neither do you guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you watch the full video, the whole video. All right, dolls. Journey with me, and so stay tuned. Oh, I gotta get my purse in there. This one's perfect. Babe, my purse. It's reach back there and get my purse.
Yeah, it's not too much going on with you.
Thank you.
How do you get out of the bed in the morning?
Don't play with me. I'm here, y'all, at the doctor's. Get ready to go and take my pregnancy test. I already got some blood work done, but I'm gonna this time I'm gonna do a urinalysis.
Now serving L038 at station number 2.
Okay, y'all, so I'm here. They gave me some wipes, and this is my urinalysis cup. So I'm going to pee in the cup and I'll be right back. So there's no one else in the bathroom, it's just me, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I peed in the cup, so here is my pee, you guys, and I'm going to put it inside of here. This is where they told me to place it, and then they're gonna give me my results. So, oh my goodness, I'm so nervous, guys. Oh my god, I just really don't know. But we will see. I will update you guys once I find out. What's up? I'm finished. What you got? Some juice. All right, babe. All done. What? You can really read my mind, because I was thinking about getting that for tomorrow.
I got you the salmon.
You got me salmon?
Yeah. Come on, try something.
Alright, well, we shall see. On our way to Mission Barbecue. Okay, so we're here at Mission Barbecue. So I can't wait to eat because I'm so hungry. I did want to eat here, but Bae already ate lunch. So here come Bae with the food. There he is. What you get?
Fed the family.
So that means you wanted it too.
I didn't want it.
Whatever. He's look. I told you. He said he just texted back 7 o'clock. No, I'm gonna still be asleep.
9:30.
This is Mission BBQ. Let's see what we got. Some stringings. Imagine. Get in. Move. So I had to get on here real fast because I know y'all wondering, like, when the hell is she gonna tell me these results? Okay, listen. So I have the results, but I couldn't figure out a way to tell Babe the results. So I think I got an idea. I'm going to do a scavenger hunt. So I'm gonna have him look for the prize, the grand gift prize, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. It's coming, y'all. Hey. Hey, babe. I got something for you. Really?
Excuse me.
Wait, it's in here.
What does it say? You gotta read your.
Let's play.
You gotta read it out loud.
And then you got Kenyon here.
I'm saying it was.
Oh, crazy. Oh, this is my glasses. Dear Babe. A day of adventure, mystery, and fun. What will await you on this journey you've begun? Clues and instructions will guide you along. Have faith and be ready. They won't lead you wrong. Agree to this quest and your adventure will begin. You'll find your first clue for the fishes swim. Love always. The wife.
Okay. So now you have to go to.
Where the fishes swim. Am I supposed to swim with them?
No.
Clue 1. Follow the clues to a gift for you. We appreciate you. You work hard. The first clue is easy. It's in your shoe. Clue 2.
Dying. That's why you can't be a little guy.
I promise this one is easy too. Just take a look. You'll find the next clue in your Father's Day book. Father's Day book.
When you die, it's my turn.
Charge the little thing. Clue 3.
Here.
What do you see? Is it sunny, raining, cloudy?
Hey, you keep burping.
Excuse me. You'll find your next clue by the window. Clue 4. You're so determined. I know you're up for a challenge. Beat me in a game of air hockey and you will win the real gift. Good luck. If I lose. Then what?
Now I think. It's supposed to be that and then. Come on, babe. Do you want this gift? Do you want it? How bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? What is this for? 3 to 1? Okay, so we
I want daddy to win.
You want daddy to win?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Better.
I think we all rooting for him, but he's not that good at this game.
Yes, he is. You're not This will take forever.
Right.
Alright, we can do the person who scored the next point.
Mine, if I win this, I will.
Oh! Daddy got the next point, so Daddy gets the gift underneath of the ottoman.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right. So what did you say?
Kane, hold on.
Stop.
Hold on. I wanted you to open it. Watch out.
Right.
Oh.
Please.
I know that you're having fun. I promise you that you're almost done. Go find the next spot. Look under the island.
Open it up.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. It's a box!
Another box.
Kane.
I got it. Daddy, that's your surprise. Legend. Yeah, Daddy.
Really? Really big?
Yeah. What's the surprise? What is it?
Kane, what is it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's a doctor thing. It's a doctor thing. Mike, why would he fall?
Oh boy. Couldn't be more excited for the view than that little guy was already stolen your heart.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
Hold me up, Kane.
Yeah, don't fall.
Is this real? Is this a joke?
Listen,
Mike, Daddy,
I did all of that for it to be a joke, baby.
Mike,
Really?
it's a joke.
Where's my PS5?
Stop! What are you doing, King? Whoopee is
Where's my PS5?
That's what you get.
Let's do it again.
You swallow it. That's what you get.
Stop.
That's what you get.
What is it?
I'll be back.
What? What?
Congratulations! Another K.
Yay. I'll be back.
What are you doing?
I'm going to get a job. Another one.
DJ Khaled.
I'm not playing.
I got something for you too. That was Keisha's gift. This is mine.
I work hard for this. I work too hard, obviously.
Here you go.
Yeah.
This is my gift.
It's a little heavy.
It's a little heavier.
This better be something. Something that don't cost money.
Something that don't cost money. Open up the card. Read it out loud.
Thank you to you on behalf of Builder Wealth, not bills. And Zarian McGuire, I'm gladly to present you with the
I can't hear you.
PlayStation 5 for all the advice, laughter, hard work, and dedication over the years. This must be a joke. Why would you put it in here? Always remember that tough times never last, but tough people do.
Ooh, that was heartfelt.
So
Congratulations.
Poor kids.
This was a really good rapping job.
Blah,
Did you
blah,
finish yourself?
blah, you're so weird. Blah,
the
blah,
creases.
blah. Oh my goodness.
He can't rap that good.
What?
Eyes.
Bobby!
What?
Chill out! You're hurting my
I
eyes!
think I would do better hitting this first and then
Mom,
seeing
why
that.
did you do that?
Oh, man, that's what's up.
Watch out.
Oh.
Wow.
And that's this version.
What? I mean, I see it, but I ain't believe it. What's up?
I'm taking that remote.
Talking about clothes and shirts. I'll take a shirt too, but they come.
Mine. Can't
This is the
taste
salmon?
Not right now.
Wait,
Before
wait,
this,
wait,
we have to wait.
This you can
thanks, bro.
remote my This
All right, babe.
chill out.
Cool. Wow.
You guys,
All right, guys.
you
That was his surprise. The
Oh my
PS5.
Why?
Oh. So that was a.
Why?
I'm confused.
What are you confused about?
Oh my God.
You got two
Baby,
gifts.
Why?
You got two gifts.
Was that for real?
Why do you think you went on a scavenger hunt?
Well, I need to go pawn this because we broke. All these kids. Oh my goodness. Who want one? 10,000. We need to start the college fund. What's going on? Wow. You ordered this
Yeah.
from Starbucks?
Target.
I'm confused.
Is you gonna open the box? Because it might not be inside of there.
I would really leave.
That's the real prank.
I got thoughts. Real prank will be coming back Monday. Play with me. Oh man, I just bought
And you already got your 4K TV, so we don't have to worry about that. Hey. And you don't need the PS4 anymore. You got the PS5.
Finally got your PlayStation.
Yes.
Yeah, not this one. That one. Yes, too, yes.
But if you say start this one, then
Over
wait.
here.
That's the remote control for me.
Yeah, that's your new remote control.
That's cool. I
Not this one, Kim. No, that one.
What?
That one up there.
Where?
Here, I think you need a little help here.
Where?
I need help. Yeah, because it's big.
Help me.
Hard to run this, but man.
This is my remote. That's the other one.
Oh.
Wait.
Want to help hold it?
Take a picture, can't do it.
I don't even know how to do that.
What do you mean you don't know how to do what? The best of both worlds.
You gotta talk.
Lazy. Alright, go ahead. How do I look?
Fantastic. I didn't want to see that. That's kind of rude.
This can be explained. Why are you still recording?